New and very sunny day on Sado Island. We are now at OGI port and you can see this ferry coming. It has the Toki bird design so that's why I'm filming it, because it's so cute. And the OGI port is the most southern port of this huge island. Actually, it is the biggest island of Japan except for the main islands. But there is no much action here, so there are a couple of taraibune like we saw yesterday in that much more pretty location at Yajima Island. So you can also experience this here. See, everyone has a huge trouble getting the boat to move even 1 meter. Absolutely impossible. But we will go to a nicer place, Shukunegi. Sado Island is also very famous for such no theater performances. And you know, if in entire Japan there are 100 theaters for this, 30 of them are on this island. I think the writer for such theater was exiled here, and so that's why this art of no theater flourished. See, no island. And so there are 30 such theaters over the island where you can experience this. Then it is also very famous for kodo. Then you know that a Japanese drumming team that are so cool, and usually they don't even wear nothing, like just the Japanese fundoshi that looks like a tea bag. And so it's a very powerful, sexy way of playing the drums, and they travel all over the world with this. And once a year, those people, this group kodo, has this Earth celebration where they invite all kind of other famous drummers and musicians to come to Sado. Okay, finally I can show you what I mean with this kodo group. Like, see, they are kind of like really naked. They have these tea bag pants, string pants, and so it's a very strong, powerful drumming, of course, cool rhythm, and yes, fantastic. I hope you guys get to see them one day. Then there is one more festival that I didn't take you to on purpose because I was worried it's gonna be full of people. Actually, this will happen next weekend, so it's not now, it's not happening yet. I think it's on the 9th of June. And during that festival, in this area where the yellow daylilies are, they will wear such cool outfits and do this kanzo matsuri. So actually, I'm sad that I don't get to see these cool outfits. And to show you on this huge map, we are here, see, OGI port, where I just showed you the ship. And we are going to take the bus to here, to Shukunegi, and then I will have to walk all this back, and it will take me 1 hour because they don't have enough buses. So that's one thing that is really horrible about this island, is that they do not have like more than 3 buses a day, you know, to get from here to there, which is very famous area and very important for changing buses and a port, you know. So there are other attractions like cool rocks, you know, this lava, the magma, pillow magma has cool shapes, so they are called, you know, like a dog shape or whatever that you would be supposed to enjoy if you come here. And then the very famous kodo player, this here Taiko Center, that very big group of Japanese traditional drum players. That's their village where they train and live, and prepare young people to become as cool as them and tour the world with this amazing music. I was just thinking, this house is so cute, right? I mean, there's much space on both sides to make it bigger. Very strange. And I found a bamboo tunnel. It's so cool and fresh inside here. And I heard they even have such an ancient ship here in this museum, so let's go see. Here is a museum with a huge ship, ancient ship. Wow. So this is that famous Sengokubune. It's a large freight ship, very ancient. A field of Margaret. So pretty, and then the wind is blowing. Everybody moves their flower with the wind. Oh, how nice. Hey. Can't stop but playing with this. It's so chameleon style again. See, I'm so blending in. We are some city painted by. How nice. And more adorable rice field shots with Margaret foreground. So pretty.